Okay, so good morning, class. This is our first meeting, no? Nag-meet last week since na-busy pa man ko ato sa enrollment. So we will have our class orientation today. Tapos, a brief, kanang run-through kung unsa ning statistics for life sciences. So this is Stat 10 or Statistics for Life Sciences. So ang naalang ani nga subject or ang gatake lang ani nga subject are BS Environmental Science, we have Agroforestry, Forestry, and Biology. So kining 4 courses are related to life sciences. Mao na ang offer, kamo lang ang naay kaning Stat 10. So ang stat pod sa social sciences na po ilaha Stat 11, we have Statistics for Social Sciences. Okay, so base na tingala mo, duha ni ka section for lecture. You have OQR1. You have QRY, QRY22 o QRY21. So si QRY22 is under me sa laboratory. So kining mga students nga ilang section kay QRY22, ako inyong lecture, ako po din yung laboratory. Si QRY21, ako inyong lecture, ang inyong laboratory is, isa yung laboratory? Si Ma'am Padisyo? Kisa yung laboratory? Kabalo na mo kinsa yung laboratory? Nga instructor?
Ma'am Padisyo, ma'am.
Oh, Ma'am Padisyo. Okay, so the same inyong schedule actually sa laboratory. It's on Saturday, 1:30 to 4:30. Okay, so ang isa lang is lahi o laboratory room, ang isa pod lahi. So, classmate tragedy hapon mo. Okay, are you on the same block? Kamu dire May uban nga Okay, so agroforestry man mo no?
Okay. Na po ES, ma'am.
Na po ES. Na ba? Okay. Okay. So let's have a short orientation. Pag ko kapangarig no kabag akong abot. Okay, so by the way, ang setup is blended. So online or face-to-face. Pero kasagari sa lecture is online. Sa laboratory is face-to-face siya. Okay? So, mag-meet man gyapon sa laboratory. So, pwede ra ang lecture nato is i-online nato. Okay, so you have Statistics 10 or Stat 10, Statistics for Life Sciences. Okay, so muna siya yung course description. No? This course deals with the nature of statistics, experimental design for life sciences, descriptive statistics for life sciences, hypothesis testing, one-way analysis of variance or ANOVA. Okay, so muna siya ang sulod sa atong course syllabus. We have sa Unit 1, we have overview of statistics for life sciences. We have the nature of statistics for life sciences. And napay sunod ani, wala na akong update no. We have the basic concepts in statistics. Then we have descriptive statistics, methods of data collection and presentation, which is naagian ninyo sa naana ni siya, naana may background ani siguro kay nag-MMW na ba mo? Okay, sa MMW gidiscuss man ni diri ang naman dito nga part ang descriptive statistics. So you have methods of data collection and presentation, measures of central location, measures of dispersion or variability. Okay, next is the research design. We have the survey design and experimental design. Then we have hypothesis testing, basic concepts and theory to hypothesis testing, testing up a hypothesized value of a population mean. We have the z-test and t-test. Then we have testing the difference of two population means. We have independent and paired samples t-test, and then correlation analysis, then regression analysis. We also have one-way analysis of variance or ANOVA, important assumptions to ANOVA, and ANOVA on CRD. So then we also have ANOVA to RCBD and post hoc test. Okay, so ang course requirement nato, kinahanglan ta og research output na atay isa ra ka exam for the semester. We have one summative exam. Then we have quizzes and laboratory activity. So yun ano yung grading system nato, class. Okay, ang summative exam is 30%. Ang research output is also 30%. Ang quizzes or assignment is 20%. Tapos ang performance and laboratory activity is 20%. So ang pagkakuan ani, ang pagkabahin, since lahi ang instructor sa lecture o laboratories uban sa isa ka section, no? So ang summative exam, that is under your lecture, and also the quizzes and assignment. So sa ako ang 50%. Ang sa laboratory ninyo is also 50%. Na may research output, 30%, and 20% is from your laboratory activity. So 50% ang lecture, 50% ang laboratory. So ang kanang atong summative exam, dungan na siya sa, it's either dungan sa finals or earlier sa finals. Mag-announce sa PUDME if makayag earlier. So the rest, since mubura man niyang ato ang topics, no? So the rest sa time will be given para sa inyong pag-prepare or paghuman sa inyong research. Okay, so a total of 100%. Okay, please take note nga ang passing rate nato is 50%. So class, ayaw mo kung ano kanang sa inyong grado ba? Basin magreklamo mo para dili na mo ma-surprise sa inyong grado, please kanang computan na lang po ninyo, no? Kung pila inyong summative exam divided by the total score, or score nimo divided by the total times 30%. So mao na siya ang imuhang nakuha nga percent sa summative. Sunod ang research output, ang quizzes assignment ngun ana ra gyapon. Okay, tapos kabalo man mo sa transmuted later na lang. Okay, so class policies, student who could not comply at least 80% of class participation will be dropped. Okay, so particular gid ta ani, no? So ang kana ganing mga online quizzes, since very lenient naman kayo na akong gabi ra gid ka taas akong ginahatag nga time to finish a quiz in the LMS. Okay, so ang kanang reason, example kasagaran is ginahatag ginako ang akong quiz for 1 week siya available sa LMS. So kung dili ka take ana nga quiz, kung unsa man na imuhang rason dira, okay ra namagod siya 7 days, no? So as much as possible answerin na siya mga after 2 days na ko gihatag or 3 days, kay para kung sa last day sa deadline na gid nga adlaw ka mag-answer niya, mawadaan mo kuryente or unsa ba mawala ang internet. So nag-unsa man mo atong the other 6 days, no? So dapat i-comply na ninyo, kay kung dili ako pa mong siguro mohatag og chance sa kadtong mga valid ang reasons gyud. Dapat na po'y proof, no, nga mao na ang tinuod. Kay basin ma'am wala ko kakuan ya pagtanaw na ko sa Facebook di ay kay naglaag-laag ra di ay naka-post man lagi sa Facebook nga wa man ka take sa exam or wa man ka take sa quiz online. So be very responsible, no, sa inyong mga requirements kay para dili mo maghilak sa ulahi. Okay? So class participation includes quizzes, assignments, laboratory activities, and the exam. Kung dili ka ka-comply at least 80% ani i-drop ta ka. So pasabot, kintahay na ay 10 ka quizzes. Tapos wala ni mo na comply or ang imuhang na apilan lang is 5 ra ka buok. So i-drop na ta ka. Kaya umani mo nakuha ang 80%. Dapat naka-take ka nag 8 ka quiz out of 10 ka quiz. Okay? Sabot tadaan ha? So, ana. Okay, then we have the research output. Okay, student who misses the deadlines for the quizzes, activities, or exams will not be given the chance to comply unless for valid reasons with evidences to support such reasons. Okay, classes will be blended, online and face-to-face. Mag-ingon ako kung when mag-face-to-face or kung mag-face-to-face maganita. Okay, major exam is also face-to-face. Okay, class meetings and or interruptions will be announced via Facebook or sa tong GC no, naman tayo GC. So come to the class or virtual room on time. For online classes, turn your audio off to avoid the necessary noise, just like karon na unnecessary noise. Okay, just turn it on when asked to do so. And in class, wear something presentable. So in asking question during class, di ba ko nag-ingon sa akong ano, akong policy, nagsaba-saba, wala rin pang off ang mic. So in asking question during class, use the chat box or raise your hand to be acknowledged by the instructor. So in asking queries outside classes, do not forget to politely introduce your name, course, and section. So ayaw ko ninyo i-chat o kanang, ma'am, wala ko ka-answer sa ano, kung wala pa ka nagpaila kay daghan kay ko og section gihandulan dili ra isa. So magpaila gyud unsa ka nga unsa imong course, unsa imong section, and unsa imong name, no? So magpaila gyud kay daghan kaayo akong gihandulan nga section, dili na ko matagna, di na ko memorize kung ang kadapit na belong. Okay? So you can, if you have questions regarding our lesson or na mo ipa-consult regarding our lesson lagi or kuan, I am available. Akong consultation time is during when Tuesday and Friday 9 to 11 a.m. And I also have Saturday nga consultation time. I think that's 10:30 to 12 consultation time na ko. Okay, so you can consult me face-to-face, ana. Okay, so pag napod mo di masabtan sa lesson, please do not hesitate to chat me sa messenger. Mo reply gid ko as long as mabasahan nako or nabantayan nako imong chat. Ug dili po ko busy. So please be patient lang if ever dili mo ma-replyan dayon. Pero ako mo reply gid ko basta mabasahan na gid nako. Pero dapat you are patient pud no for your other instructors kay base na pud sila lain reasons or busy sila sa ilahang na sila kabisihan. Okay, then any form of cheating is prohibited. That is the golden rule. Cheating is prohibited. Okay, so ako sang i-share pod sa inyo ang atong syllabus. Okay, basically, maura man na siya dira gihapon class. This is available tuod sa at LMS ang kining course syllabus. You can click the link nga the file nga akong gi-attach. So naa siya summative examination since naaman tay research paper na pud tay oral defense. Okay? So kadtong akong giingon class kaning summative exam 20%, performance task 20%, written works 20%, research output 30%. Okay, so kana inyong computon, tapos diri adayon mo ni ang transmutation table. So if you got 90 to 100, that is 1, 85 to 89 is 1.25, and so on. So, dili pasabot nga ikaw ang highest permi sa klase 1 na ka. So, depende po na kung pila ang imuhang percent nga nakuha. Okay? So, dili magyaw-yaw nga nagbaha og do sa CSU kay dapat kabalo po ka kung pila imong kuha, no? Kung asa ra kalapit ni kuan dira kay imagine kung out of 50 imong kuha kay 40. Ang 40 is 80%, 1.50 ra na siya, dili na siya 1. Okay? Or kung makakuha ka og 25 out of 50, 50% na siya, nara siya sa 3. Or imong nakuha is kuan ra, 35 out of 50. So that is 70%. So dos ra na siya. Okay? So take note ana kay na notice na ko last semester daghang estudyante na gyaw-yaw kay daghan silang dos. Malipay na gid kaayo may anang makados sa una class. Nabag-uhan man no kay ang online dagko kay mohatag og grado. Kung online ra. So kay online man most of the quizzes nato kanang i-take advantage nga paningkamutan ninyo nga dako gyud inyong score para mabire inyong grade, no? Since ang online man ang most of the quizzes nga kung ihatag. Yun ang paningkamutan ha. Okay. So so I have here overview of statistics for life sciences. So class kay late man tag 1 meeting. So I have a video about this one. Kini nga gi-attach sa LMS. So ang akong i-discuss today is the basic concepts lang. Overview ram po ni siya. Overview of statistics for life sciences, introduction to statistics, unsay role sa statistics in life sciences endeavors. Ngun ana no? So kana siya, I will leave this as a video assignment or kanang what inyong tan-awon ni siya. Ako ni siyang gi-attach sa LMS. So akong i-discuss today is ang basic concepts sa statistics. Kay available naman po ang atong quiz dito sa LMS for the basic concepts. Okay. So what is statistics? So in singular sense, this is a branch of science that deals with the development of methods for a more effective way of collecting, organizing, presenting, analyzing, and interpreting data. Okay, so ang statistics is an essential tool in education, government, Office of Justice programs, business and economics, medicine, experimental psychology, sociology, sports, and many, many more, no? So, naagyud ang statistics dira we have the employment rate sa government kanang mga kanang mga statistics labi na katong COVID no, very useful ang statistics kung pilang positive, pila ang kuan nagkataas ba ang ang cases nagkaubos ba mingon ana. So statistics is very essential tool siya sa daghan nga field in our society. Because statistics aids in decision making. Okay, so there are two categories of statistics. We have the descriptive and inferential. Okay, by the way, class akong ginagamit is Zoom. So, dili rin po, no, kay mas anad ko sa Zoom compared sa tapos makita mo gud mo na ako diri sa Zoom pag ang sa Google Meet dili ta mo makita and dili ko ka-record sa Google Meet. Kung sa Zoom manggod kay maka-record manggod ko. So if ever, since akong Zoom is dili siya premium ang account, is muputol gini siya 40 minutes. So after 40 minutes, if wala pa naman atong lesson, please click the same link lang. Okay? So balik ta. So natay two categories sa statistics. We have descriptive and inferential. Ang descriptive, diri kasagari ang kanang mga frequency or pila ka buok, coefficient of variation. We have the percentage, the fractiles, the standard deviation, variance mode, mean, and median. No? So, ang inferential po, diri ang significant difference, significant association, significant effect, significant relationship, and more. Kana. So, unsay kalahian aning descriptive and inferential? Sige daw. Nakaagi naman mong stop, no? Unsa man ang descriptive, unsa man ang inferential. You can use the chat box kay para makabalo ka nga naminaw mo, ngawa mo na to. Or you can unmute yourselves if you want to answer. Unsa man ang descriptive, unsa man ang inferential. Sa man na class. Na, may manubag oy. 45 participants, wala mo tubag bisan isa. Daghan na ba mo buyag? 46 na. Daghan man day ko wa pa mo kaagi og statistics since first year. How about sa senior high school, you have statistics and probability via? Sige, ako na lang. Okay, ang descriptive statistics. So as you can see, these are the keywords, no? Frequency, mean, median mode, coefficient of variation, variance, standard deviation, fractals, and percentage. Okay, so sa descriptive statistics is you are concerned with summarizing and describing important features of data collected using tabular and graphical displays without attempting to infer. Okay, so one of the example is kanang number of cases sa COVID-19, no? So kung ang ipakita lang, imuha lang aim is i-describe pila ang cases sa COVID-19 sa Butuan, unsay age bracket, kasagaran sa mga na-infect. That is descriptive statistics, no? Gi-describe ra nimo ang important features sa imong data nga na-collect. So you can use tabular method or graphical displays without attempting to infer. Pasabot wala siya ni attempt o predict for future values. So wala siya nag-predict pila kaha ang number of COVID patients in a month. Wala siya ningon ana, gi-describe lang yun niya ang iyahang na-collect nga data. So ang inferential statistics, diri ang mga significant difference, significant effect, significant association, significant relationship, no? So kini siya is concerned with making generalizations or inferences and predictions about a large group of observations based on the data collected from a smaller group. So this requires statistical techniques. So katong ganin na akong giingon, for example, iyaha lang gi-describe pila ang number of COVID-19 patients, unsay age bracket sa sa mga na-infect, iya ra gyud gi-describe. So if ang purpose is to predict kung pila kabuok ang number of COVID patients or COVID nga infected after 1 month, meaning na anak kay prediction, no? Or nag-infer ka, so that is inferential statistics. Okay? So if your goal is to predict future values or you infer, mga values or imuhang gitest if naabay mga significant nga relationship or significant nga association or significant ang effect. So for example, kanang mag-kuan mo mag-compare o ganang mga kintahay no, we have the feeds. Okay, kung unsa nga feed ang mas makapabugat sa baboy. So that is inferential gapon na siya. Kay ato mang ikuan kung naabay significant difference between sa mga feeds na inyong gigamit, no? So kana naklaro kung unsay descriptive versus inferential. Okay. Okay, so example, LeBron James wants to know his average score for the past 7 games. Unsa man ni siya nga kind of statistics? Average siya daw, pasabot. Unsa man ang average? That is the mean. Unsa man iya ha? Unsa man na, descriptive lang or ano? Kanang inferential nga statistics?
Descriptive lang.
Descriptive. Sakto. Kay iyahang gipangita is the mean raman no, gidescribe ra kung unsa or gikuha lang ang mean nga score niya for the past 7 games. Okay. So another is Mrs. Planas forecasted to pay 2,000 next month for her electricity bill based on her last year's bill. So unsa man na siya nga statistics? Unsa na siya nga statistics class? Naaman siya'y attempt or naa siya'y from the word forecasted. Murag iyahang gitagna, no? Nga iyahang bill is 2,000 next month. Kay iyahang bill last year, 2,000 man. Nagets ninyo? So, iyahang gitagna nga or she forecasted nga 2,000 iyang bill next month. Kay last year, 2,000 po iyang bill. So, that is inferential. Kay nag-infer siya or iyahang gi-predict ang future nga value based sa iyahang bill last year. So that is inferential statistics. Okay. So these are the basic terminologies, no? You have population. Ang population is a complete set of individuals or objects or measurements under study. So in statistics, since dili siya economical kwaon ang or kuan og data ang tanan tao sa population, we use sampling techniques to get a sample from the population. So ang sample is a representative subset of a population. Okay? So population, sample. Okay, so ang data are facts or information that are collected for reference and analysis. So this can be numeric or non-numeric. We also have the primary data, kanang kamo ang nag-gather mismo sa data. So ang tawag ana is primary data. Data gathered are original, meaning kamo mismo ang nag-collect sa data. You have for example, we have recording the age of your classmates by asking them, no? So that is primary data. Secondary data is the data that were previously gathered from an original source. So for example, kuhaon nimo ang list sa 4-piece beneficiary in Butuan City. So aha man ka mangayo ana nga list. So ang mangayo ka ana nga list is sa DSWD. Nangayo ra ka sa DSWD. Ang nag-collect sa data is ang DSWD. So that is secondary data. Kadili naman ikaw originally ang nag-gather sa data. So that's the difference between the primary data and the secondary data. Okay, when you say variable, okay, a characteristic which may take on different values. So for example, variable is civil status. So ang civil status, it's either single, married, or divorce. So muna siya variable class. A characteristic which may take on different values. So pwede siya single, pwede married, or divorce. We also have weights. Pwede siya bisan unsa no, pwede 45 kilograms, pwede 50 kilograms. We have 60 kilograms and more. Okay. Okay, so let us determine the population under study and the variable of interest. So for example, we have a group of researchers is interested in determining the number of children below 12 years old infected with COVID-19 in NCR. So ang population nato ani is ang children below 12 years old in NCR. Unsa may yang interest? Kung infected ba o dili, no? So, ang variable of interest niya is whether or not the child has ever been infected with COVID-19. Okay, nasabtan, population niya is kading 12 children below 12 years old in NCR. Tapos ang iyahang variable of interest, whether or not the child has ever been infected with COVID-19. So a group of researchers is interested in determining the age of the patients infected with COVID-19 in St. Luke's Hospital. Okay, unsa may population ani? So may population na class. So may population. Ang population nato is ang patients nga infected with COVID-19 sa St. Luke's Hospital. Okay. Okay, patients infected with COVID-19 in St. Luke's Hospital. Okay. So, iyahang variable of interest is ilahang age, no? Determining the age. Okay, age of the COVID-19 patients in St. Luke's Hospital. Okay, kana. Population and variable of interest. Okay. So, naabot tayo gitawag nga types of variables. We have the discrete and the the qualitative and quantitative nga variables, no? So ang quantitative, when you say quantitative from the word quantity, meaning naa siya'y kabugaton, kadaghanon, di ba no? Quantitative variables versus qualitative variables, meaning quality, categories. So assumes values that are names or labels. Thus, these are can be categorized. So these are categorical variables. So categories may be identified by either non-numerical descriptions or by numerical codes. So for example, ang civil status, qualitative variable na siya since it's either kanang single, married, or annulled, no? Or kanang unsay tawag ng balo. Okay, tapos religious affiliation. And pwede ka though naay mga qualitative variables nga in terms of numbers like the house number, that is a qualitative variable. We also have the telephone number, qualitative variable gyapon na siya. Kay wala man na siya kabugaton, no? Wala siya value. Okay? So, qualitative variable na siya. Quantitative variables are variables that are measured on a numeric or quantitative scale. So, kana yung naay dili lang code ang iyang number. Kanang naay kabugaton, naay kadaghanon, no? So, ang quantitative variable pod has two types. We have the discrete and the continuous nga variable. Okay. So, ang discrete variables are variables with finite or countable number of possible values. So example, age in years, number of female employees in CSU for academic year 2016 and 2017. Okay, ang continuous variables are variables that assumes any value in a given interval. Example, height in meters, weight in kilograms, and so on. So, sa kalahian ang discrete variables and continuous variable. Kining discrete variables, iyahang mga values are countable number or finite or countable number. So, pasabot kadtong mga counting numbers iyahang ginadawat ng mga 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, example, ana, is ang age in years. So, di ba kung pangutan-on ta sa tong edad, di man ta miingon, I am 18.5 years old. Dili man nga na, no? So, ang atong ginatubag is a whole number gyud. So, ang age is a discrete variable. Another example is kining number of female employees. Dili man ka pwede maingon nga there are 55.5 enrollees in stat 10. Naalay ka to nga tao, no? So dili siya mo take, in other words, dili ni siya mo take og mga naay decimal places nga mga variables. Sabtan? Discrete katong mga counting numbers lang iyahang dawaton nga variable. Okay, ang continuous variables are variables that assumes any value in a given interval. So kini siya, pwede siya madawat og counting numbers, pwede pod og kanang mga naay decimal. No, for example, sa height, pwede makamingon nga I am 1.5 meters tall or 1.6 meters tall. Pwede mo pod ka I am 55.6 kilograms ang akong weight. Pwede mingon ana. So, pwede siya mo take og counting numbers and katong mga numbers with decimals. Okay, continuous, discrete. Okay, class, less than 1 minute na lang ang Zoom, no? So, please click the same link lang. Okay? Salamat. Okay, so mo na siya ang difference again ha sa discrete and continuous nga variable. Kining discrete, katong mga numbers lang nga whole numbers or mga counting numbers lang yung ginadawat. Ang continuous katong na mga decimal points pwede, no? Like the weight, height. Okay. Okay pala yun ta. So, kadto no, you have the discrete variables versus the continuous variable. So, let's answer this. Let us identify which type of is the given variable. Is it qualitative or quantitative? Kung quantitative, is it discrete or continuous? Okay. So, address. Ano ng address? Quali or quanti? Excuse me.
Quanti, ma'am.
Quanti? Address? Ang quanti again, katong numbers with values.
Quali, ma'am.
Quali, this is qualitative. Ang address is qualitative. Okay, next. Ang house number.
Quanti.
Okay, house number is, ako nang giingon ganina no nga, quali na siya. Wala na siya kabugaton. Dili pasabot nga ang house number ni Kuan is 35, akong house number kay 32. Dili pasabot mas dako ilang balay compared sa amua. No? That is qualitative. Okay, qualitative ng house number ha. Number na siya pero wala na siya value. Mura na siya code. So that is qualitative. Okay, ang weight in kilograms.
Quantitative.
Quantitative. Unsa man na siya? Discrete or continuous?
Continuous.
Okay, so that's correct.
Continuous.
Pagkaagtik ko eh. Okay, diaper size. Quanti, quali.
Quali.
Okay, quali ay small, medium, large, XL man na. Dili man na siya, ano. Okay, that is qualitative. Color of the leaf.
Qualitative.
Okay, qualitative. Okay, number of units enrolled.
Quantitative.
Number of units, that is quanti. Is it discrete or continuous?
Discrete.
Okay, discrete. Kaning number of units enrolled kay wala man tayong mga point something sa units ninyo karon no, wala may mga 2.5 units. Mga 3 units, 4 units, ana raman no inyong kuan. So that is quantitative and that is discrete. Okay, SSS number. Ang SSS number unsa man na? Quali, quanti.
Quanti.
Quali, ma'am.
Quali. Parehara na siya sa house
Quali.
number. Wala siya kabug-aton. Ang SSS number is just a code. So that is qualitative. Okay, so number na siya pero walay kabug-aton or that is just a code. Code na nga number. So dili na siya, wala na siya kabug-aton, wala siya kadaghanon. Okay, that is qualitative. Sabta ninyo, kining house number and SSS number are both qualitative. Okay, telephone number.
Quali, ma'am.
Still
Quali.
qualitative.
Quali.
Okay, foot length in centimeters.
Quanti.
Quanti. Is it discrete or continuous?
Continuous.
Okay, so that is continuous. Okay, brand of cell phone.
Qualitative.
Qualitative. So, klaro ta na ha? You have qualitative, quantitative. Quantitative, continuous, or discrete. Okay, very good. So, ang statistic in plural sense, mao ni siya ang summary measures describing specific characteristics of a sample. So, ang statistic, wala na, dapat siya S, or statistics kung daghan. Okay, mao ni siya ang mga characteristics sa atong sample. Unsa man na, example is kanang sample mean, sample standard deviation, sample variance. Basta imuhang gi-describe ang sample, ang characteristic sa sample. So again, kanang mga sample mean, sample variance, sample standard deviation, that is statistic. Okay, kung imong i-describe ang specific characteristics atong population, ang tawag pud ana niya is parameter. So summary measures describing a specific characteristic of a population. So for example, you have the population mean, population standard deviation, population variance. Mo na siya example sa mga asa parameter. Kung imong describe is the population. Okay, so again, statistic is for the sample. Ang parameter is sa population. So for example, the Office of the Vice President for Academic Affairs wants to find out if there is a need to postpone the opening of classes. They interviewed 1,000 of the 5,000 enrolled students in the university to assess the readiness of the students for online learning. The survey results showed that 79% of the 1,000 students are not yet ready for online learning. So for this example class, unsa man ang gi-describe aning 79? Is it the population or ang ang sample? Okay, so naaday 5,000 ka enrollees sa CSU. Ilang kuan og readiness or ilang gi-interview for the readiness sa online learning is only 1,000. Unya, 79% sa 1,000 students ang nag-ingon nga they are not yet ready for online learning. So, unsa maning si 79? Is it a statistic or a parameter? Again, ang statistic is sa sample. Ang parameter is sa population. So, unsa maning 79%? Statistic ni or parameter?
Parameter, ma'am.
Statistic, ma'am.
Okay, statistic. Nganong statistic man? Kay
Sample.
Sample, ma'am.
ikan naman siya sa sample, no? Sa 1,000
Yes,
naman siya
ma'am.
gikan. So, kung kining 79 is kiniging gikan sa 5,000 gid ni siya, mo nang ang parameter na siya. Kung sa 5,000 gid siya, kinitanan iyang gikuhaan or kinitanan iyang gi-interview. Kung kinitanan ha, that is parameter. Pero iyang gi-interview is only 1,000 out of 5,000, meaning kining 1,000 is a sample lang. So this is, ang 79 is a statistic. No? So 79% is a statistic, kay iyang gikan ra siya sa ato ang sample. So this is a characteristic of a sample. Gikan na siya sa sample. Sabtan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let us recall, ang variable is a characteristic which may take on different values. Okay. So we have these variables. We have sex, civil status, height, income, class ranking, citizenship, age, temperature, standardized exam score, time of the day, IQ, socioeconomic status. Kining si sex, unsa man ni siya? This is qualitative or quantitative?
Qualitative, ma'am.
Okay, ang height, this is
Quanti, ma'am.
quanti. Kining class ranking,
Quali.
okay, that is quali. Okay. Ang temperature,
Quanti.
okay, quanti.
Quanti.
So, nganong lahi-lahi man sila color? So, kaning silang upat, this have different levels sa measurement. Okay, these are variables nga lahi-lahi nga level sa measurement. Okay. So, ang sex, so kay kauban niya, ana, we have the civil status siguro. No? So, ang sex is male or female man. Ang class ranking is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Or, and so on. You have height. Example, we have 1.56, 1.7, 0. We have temperature in Celsius. You have negative 30%, 30 degrees and 38 degrees, no? So, unsay kalahian na nila. Okay, so ang sex, ang iyang kagrupo si civil status ug citizenship. Okay, ang income, age, and height, kagrupo po na sila. Si class ranking, time of the day, and socioeconomic status is also kagrupo. And the exam, standardized score, IQ, and temperature, kagrupo po na sila. Unsa man na sila? Okay, so let us talk about the levels of measurement. Okay, so natay upat ka levels of measurement. We have the nominal level, ordinal level, interval level, and the ratio level. So, unsa man ang measurement, ma'am? This is a process of determining the value or label of the variable based on what has been observed. Okay, so ang pinakaubos nga level of measurement is the nominal level. Next is ordinal, then interval, then ratio. Okay, so kana sila upat. Okay, mag-start na with nominal level. Ang nominal level is kanang data collected are labels, names, or categories. So, kung kabantay mo ganina, we have the sex, no? The civil status, and the citizenship, no? So, frequencies or counts, the observations belonging to the same category can be obtained. And this is the lowest level of measurement. So, example, again, aning nominal level is katong mga categorical nga data like categorical data like the civil status, the sex, the religious affiliation, kana nominal level na siya, categorical, nga dili na to pwede ma-order. So walay mas labaw sa mga categories nga pilianan. So for example, sa sex, we have male and female. So, level ra na sila. Dili ka makaingon nga mas taas si male kang female. No? So, categories nga dili nato pwede ma-order. Okay, ang ordinal level from the word order. So, pasabot na siya order, no? Okay, we have the data collected are labels with implied ordering. So, these are categorical level gihapon ang ordinal, no? Tapos, pwede lang siya ma-order. For example, we have the socioeconomic status. We have the poor, the middle class, and the upper class. Or lower class, middle class, upper class. So, pwede man nato ma-level, di ba? We also have the class ranking. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, no? So that is an example of ordinal. Okay, so pwede na to ma-order. Or the year level, we have the first year, second year, third year, fourth year. So that is ordinal. Okay, this does not indicate the magnitude of the differences between the measurements. Okay, so again, na siya implied ordering, categories or labels with implied ordering. Kini siya, ato raning mga categories nga dili nato ma-imply ang ordering or walay order. No? So in interval level is katong level of measurement that does not only indicate ordering but also the exact distance between the values of the measurement. So examples ani are temperature. Okay, the values for this kind of measurement lacks absolute zero. So kining interval level class is katuning mga quantitative nga data na to, no? So quantitative pero kini siya lacks an absolute zero. So katong mga quantitative data nga variable nga kuan kanang lacks absolute zero. Unsa man ang absolute zero, ma'am? So isa sa example sa interval level is ang temperature. When you say lacks absolute zero, di ba kung mingon ta ang temperature is 0 degrees Celsius. So dili pasabot nga walay temperature. Ang sukod lang niya is 0. Sabtan ninyo? Lacks an absolute zero. Kung mingon siya 0, dili pasabot nga wala. So again, example is ang score. Kung may yung kag 0 ang score, dili pasabot nga ang student wala ni take or wala siya score. No, 0 lang gid iyahang score. That is in interval level. Sabtan ninyo? Ang kining ratio level is the same as interval level. However, the number 0 indicates the absence of the characteristic being measured. So this has an absolute zero. Mo na ilang kalahian klasa. Ang ratio level, kung may kag 0, for example, ang height, kung may kag 0 ang height, meaning wala gid na tao dira. No? Kay wala may height. Kung may kag 0 yang weight, wala kag gitimbang kay 0 man iyang weight. No? So that is the difference between interval level and the ratio level. Sabtan, ang interval level lacks absolute zero, ang ratio level has absolute zero. Again, ang interval level, pag 0, dili pasabot wala. Sa ratio level, kung may kag 0, pasabot wala. For example, height, kung walay height, pasabot wala kay gi-measure nga height, walay tao dira. Wala kay gitimbang kung weight, no? So, diri interval level, kung 0, dili pasabot nga wala. For example, temperature, kung 0 ang temperature, dili pasabot walay temperature, ang sukod lang niya is 0. Another example is exam score. Kung 0 imong score, dili pasabot wala kay score. 0 lang imuhang kuha sa exam, no? So, interval level or ratio level. Okay, so kining sex, civil status, citizenship, these are examples of a nominal level. Sa nominal level. Okay, we have the class ranking, the socioeconomic status, and time of the day. Since we can order it, that is ordinal level. Okay, then we have the temperature in Celsius, standardized exam score, and IQ. This belongs to interval level. So again, this lacks absolute zero. Kung may kag 0 ang IQ, dili pasabot nga, or 0 yung score, dili pasabot nga wala siya score. 0 lang. Okay, ang height, income, and age are ratio level. Okay, kung maingkag ang height nimo is, imong income is 0, pasabot, wala gid kay trabaho, no? Or wala gid kay income, kay 0 man. Okay, so that is, ang ratio level is the highest level of measurement. Sabdan? Ang kalahian nilang upat. So let us have this. Let us determine the level of measurement of each variable. Okay, zip code. Zip code, unsa man na, nominal, ordinal, interval, or ratio. So na siya, categorical man na, no? Or qualitative man na siya, di ba? Pwede ba na nato ma-order ang zip code? Dili. pasabot kung 8600 ang butuan tapos 9200 ang iligan, mas dako bang iligan sa butuan? Ngun ana ba? Dili, no? So this cannot be ordered. Tapos this is categorical. So unsa man ni siya? This is nominal. Okay, that's correct. Okay, so correct, Denise. That is nominal. Brand of shampoo used. So many. Nominal, ordinal, interval, or ratio? Nominal.
Nominal,
gihapon.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, weight. Ang weight.
Ratio level. Ma'am.
Okay, that is ratio. Okay, ang police rank.
Ordinal, ma'am.
Okay, that is ordinal, correct. Room temperature in Celsius.
Interval.
Okay, interval, that's correct. Diaper size.
Ratio.
Ordinal. Kaya naman na small, medium, large, no? Okay. That's it. Okay. Questions. Clarifications. Mora ta tong lesson for today. Okay, so for your quiz, ang hurang na-prepare nga quiz diri. Okay, so sa LMS, na-enroll na ba ang tanan? Okay, so mo ni siya ang naong sa inyong LMS, no? You have this one na natay about the course outline. Just click this. You can access the course outline. Mao ni siya atong Zoom link class. Mao ni siya ang ato ang gamiton every time nga mag-online ta. Okay, then nadiri ang video sa katong Nature of Statistics for Life Sciences. Just click this. So na ay 5 out of 51 nga ni-click ani. Okay, then mo ni siya na po diri ang basic concepts, no? So i-upload lang din ako ang kaning PDF copies sa kaning akong lecture o kaning sa Nature of Statistics for Life Sciences. Okay, so ang akong na-prepare diri is only assessment of the levels of measurement. So wala ko ka butang og katong types of variables tuod. So ang kini lang sa assessment on levels of measurement. So this is due until March 4. So gabi no, kuan more than 1 week din ako siya gihatag. So tama na siya March 4. You can take this, sa'yo naman mag-identify ra mo kung nominal ba siya, ordinal, or interval, or ratio. So kana. Pwede na gaya na ninyo answeran karon kay para dili malimtan pohon. Okay? So again, deadline niya will be on March 4. Yes, i-upload na ko ang recorded pod og ang PDF nga copies aning kining duha ka topic. Okay? So okay na? Okay na mo? Questions, clarifications? Wala na? Sige. Check sa taga-attendance.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
May question.
Yes.
Sobero po.
Oh, yes, Neil.
Ang kuan, ma'am, classes nato, ma'am, kanang mag-announce ka or mag-F2F or mag-online lang.
Oh, mag-announce ra ko. Pero pag kung online ra, dili na ko mag-announce. Kung wala ko nag-ingon nga mag face-to-face, automatic online na siya.
Okay po.
Okay.
Thank you po.
So, napay questions? Clarifications? So, if you have questions nga mahuna-hunaan ninyo after this, you can message me on Facebook. Okay, so para i-check ang attendance, kindly turn on your cameras. And be sure nga inyong names is kanang visible. Okay, by the way, nangutan ma'am, face-to-face sa Saturday, dili kay kanang holiday ang Saturday. So wala tayo face-to-face classes ana. However, since laboratory man na nato no, na ako'y gibilin nga activity for laboratory. So you can do that in your vacant time na lang para di na pud mo maulahi sa uban nga klase. So naan siya sa LMS gihapon, naa na dito ang video kung unsay buhaton. Naa na po dito sa LMS sa inyong laboratory nga section kung ang katong activity. Okay, so please watch the video na lang po para this Saturday. Okay, so sige, 1, 2, 3, smile. Ang wala akong i-assume ang kaning wala nag-turn on sa ilahang. Okay, sige, smile pag yun. Wala pa ko nahuman. Napay next page. Smile lang gihapon mo. Okay, so smile para dili maabsenan. Karon pa nang gawas sa guban. Okay, so that's it for today, class. See you again on Wednesday. Okay, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.